Oh, shit on me.
Say hi, Erica.
Hi, Erica.
Are we close to West City? No.
About 3 or 4 miles.
4 more miles.
It's not 4 more miles. We're trying to get to West City so we can stop at the gas station.
Nope. This is bullshit.
Well, we just wanted to try to get to West City, but we didn't think we could. The rain is so bad.
Let's move up. I feel alone back there.
There was a car behind us.
I left you back there.
I know, this is why I wanted to make it to the West City so we can stop at that gas station. Because everybody needs to go potty.
Man, look at it flooding out there.
My piss out the car. Move over now. My fucking kitty move.
Yeah, some of them laugh.
Hey, hold that.
I'm not going to. We're going to try to make it to the West City.
Sweet.
Okay? Well, we're going to try to make it real quick, okay? Okay, fine. We're going to try to make it to West City, okay?
Okay, don't leave yet. Don't.
Alan's going to let you know when you're available to go.
Not yet. Not yet. Not yet. God damn it, fucking people. Not yet. Not yet. Now.
Straight through. Look at all these fucking people pulled over.
I know.
At least we get a fucking light.
Yeah, we see people pulled over. That's
Well, you know where the side of the road is now. Pretty much like all the semis are the only ones that aren't pulled over.
Because I can't.
Yeah. But
We're just going to try to make it to West City. Then we're stopping. I'm leaving our hazards on because if you drive underneath the minimum speed limit, you're supposed to have them on. So, since we're driving under, I'm leaving them on. I know. Like he is.
Speed, motherfucker.
He's got his hazards on too. Try to make it to West City. I want to be able to stop.
4 more miles.
That's what okay. I want to be able to see. Real good. Yeah, I think it's hot. I'm sorry. I have to have his windows open. There you go.
It's letting up a little bit.
Yeah, it is. It's good. So we're heading right into it. From the Rapid City to Hamburg to Rockport, it is bad.
Mom's in the park, it's not even doing anything.
Rockport is going to hit Rockport very soon, but she's watching the weather for you.
Good thing I told my windows up.
God damn it, mine are down. Just a little bit though, because I didn't roll all the way because the Fluffy was in the car.
That sucks.
My seat's gonna be soaked.
Follow the sunlight.
Reminds me of when we got to Amarillo. And our car died. We had to drive it all the way to Squaw Creek. We were doing like 20. Exit 10. I think we're coming up on it.
People with their hazards on right behind us, following us.
Sweet.
Yeah, they're probably thinking if they're going, might as well go too. Wow, look at that out there.
Wow.
I just hope we get home before this mountain up floods. Because if that floods, we ain't going nowhere.
Nope.
Anytime soon.
They got boats over in Nebraska City. We'll steal one. Leave a bunch of car here and we'll go.
Grab some umbrellas first.
No, we'll get a pontoon boat. With the umbrellas on it.
1 mile.
There's no one like trying to pass us or nothing. They're like following around. They're like, these crazy bastards, we'll just follow them.
And if on the off chance we don't make it home tonight,
I'm fucking you, Alan. I'm just telling you that right now.
We need to get a motel though.
We can sleep in the car.
I got work this morning.
If it's like this the whole way, like for all night, we ain't going fucking nowhere.
My dad would come up and get us.
Yeah,
he doesn't care. My dad likes driving in the rain.
No, her dad's like, yeah, it's raining. It's just a little light rain. But your dad is. He don't give a fuck. He's like, it's just barely raining, Erica. I can't believe you can't come up here by yourself.
Listen to this. A jar of Vaseline, $3. A box of Trojans, $12. 3 game porn DVDs, $30. Making your parents think your brother is gay, priceless. That's terrible. Whoa!
Everybody's following us.
Let's get this way.
That's what I thought.
Hello? Hi, Daddy. We just made it now to Nebraska City, and we're going to pull over and we're going to stop at the gas station and wait for the rain to like stop or clear up for a little bit before we can start driving again, and you still barely can see the road. We're stopping at
Fat Brothers.
Fat Brothers right now in Nebraska City. We finally made it to Nebraska City because we had stopped at Percival because we still couldn't see the road. And as soon as we left the curb, everybody kind of, Jake, you're on a curb. As soon as we left Percival, everybody else followed us. Yes, Daddy. Okay, park over there. Yes, Daddy.
Dude, let's go sit in that thing.
Okay, bye.
I got
I had to
it.
say, Jake, you're on the curb, and I know you're driving, and I was going to bitch at me.
Who gives a shit? Oh, fuck.
What?
It's raining harder than it was in fucking Council Bluffs.
I don't think you care. Get out. I'm going inside.
Hurry up, why don't you lock the door?